I'm Rob Mitchell from Engraver.com. I'm here to talk to you about Bench Fusion. Bench Fusion is part of the Atlanta Jewelry Show at the Cobb Galleria Center, which is going to take place this August from the 24th to the 26th. It's an event like no other for jewelers, engravers, and stone setters. $99 will give you access to 4 seminars Tira and I will put on, plus seminars from Joel McFadden, Gary Dawson, and Jason Chandler from the Portland Jewelry Academy. Our seminars will include engraving and setting tips and tricks, sharpening engravers, which is a bit of an advanced course for people who really want to learn how to make their own tools for the jobs that they need when they need them, microscopes and social media, which will give you fundamental techniques for using a microscope with a camera and then how to integrate that with the different social media platforms. Tira will also be giving a session on gold inlay to help people get started with that fascinating technique. Each of the presenters at the show will get a separate classroom within the show. The seminars repeat so you can minimize conflicts between presenters. Between seminars in our classroom, you'll be able to try microscopes like the Avesta 3, like our pulse graver, and other things that we carry at Engraver.com. To register for the show, go to the Bench Fusion website on the Atlanta Jewelry Show page. I'll put appropriate links in here, or you can just Google Bench Fusion Atlanta Jewelry Show. If you have any problems registering, please give us a call because we want to see all of our customers there.